Hello again, and thank you for tuning into my channel today to watch this video. I appreciate it. I'm doing a little happy dance inside. Today's video is going to be a quick one because I already have like a pre-existing hairstyle that I just want to, zhuzh up a little bit. So I've had this hairstyle for a week now, and my wash day is probably tomorrow, the day after, but I also have an event that I need to go to, so I thought, okay, let's just, vamp this up a little bit and take it to the next level and go out. I'm basically going to add hair extensions, and this is the hair that I use. I love it because it's just soft, matches my hair color and a bit of my hair texture as well. So I'm going to keep the existing parts that I have. My hair is into 4. I might just clean the lines a little bit, but I also wanted them to have big chunky braids as well. So basically I just wanted the hair to be attachable and detachable at the same time. But yeah, I'll show you what I mean when we get into it. As usual, let's spray some water to hydrate my hair. It's always easier to manipulate my hair when it's damp. Always. So I'm looking at the existing part that I have now, and I feel like I just want the back to be a tad bit bigger than what it is now, so I'm just going to reline the middle part. Let's put this away. Now that I have one section done, I'm just gonna spray a bit of water still to just dump it up some more, especially my ends. Now that I've hydrated my hair, I'm just going to moisturize with some Monoi milk. Just a teensy bit, not too much, because yeah, I know I'm washing my hair in a few days, but I also don't want product buildup. For my hair to sleek down a little, I'm just gonna spray this Twist and Set setting lotion. It's worked so well for my hair. It just sleeks my hair down without doing too much. Look, or leaving too many residue. That's why I love it. I'm gonna take a white tooth comb and just comb it out a bit more. I use a small rubber band to hold this section of hair in place, and I make sure I only go over it 3 times so it's not too tight, and then I go ahead and braid that section of hair. This is actually such a great protective style that I'm doing because it ensures that all my ends are tucked in. Once I have braided to an extent, then I just continue with twists. Twist, twist, twist. Okay, one down. Like I said, I want my hair to be, sleek down, but like not too sleek down. That's why I'm not using gel. So this has worked so far for me. On to the next one. I'll do the other side of the back and then come to the front. Okay, now that I've done the 2 at the back, time to do one side of the front. Same process, spray water. Then moisturize with Monoi milk. Pay attention to my ends. Then some Twist and Set setting spray. And then we detangle. Okay, so let me braid this down. This is also a great way to stretch your hair without heat, And then let's do the second side. Okay, all fun done. Alright, now that I have hydrated, moisturized, detangled, and put my hair into 4 plaits and slicked it down a little bit, let me show you how I create my braids that I want to attach. To create the detachable braid, I'm using a rubber band, a regular size rubber band, to hold the middle part of my first braid. Now I want the braid to be ombre, so I'm starting with color 1B, which matches my hair color. And this is how I anchor the rubber band to the hair. So I'm basically inserting one end of the rubber band into the other end of the rubber band and then pull. Without letting it go, I repeat this process again, and for the second time, I finally pull one end of it, and that's how it gets attached to my hair. Okay, let's start braiding. For this part, I'm using a tripod stand that I had, but you can use a door handle or anything that's quite steady for you to do this part. I start by braiding the hair and I add my first color for my ombre effect. I'm braiding really slowly and softly because I want the hair to be really fluffy. As I'm braiding, I'm also fluffing the ends of the hair because it's quite curly. Every time I do one braid, I add hair, and I keep adding hair till it gets to my desired length and thickness. If you're doing your own braid, you can add less hair that I'm adding, or if you want it to be more chunky than mine, you can add more hair. Basically, you're braiding and adding hair to your own preference. Once I get to my desired length, I use a small rubber band to just secure the ends, and that's it. I fluff the hair a little bit more and my detachable braids are ready to go. Alrighty, so here's one of the braids that I have done and ready to attach. I would attach the back first so we can see. So now my hair, I'm just gonna use it to wrap the base. And then I'll just use bobby pins to make sure it's secure because we don't want a ponytail to be flying out when we're out. And that's it, one down. So just place the hair by the base and put the rubber band in. So this is what you have. You have your hair, you have the rubber band, and you have this. And then you just wrap it around. And you put it down. Then you bring your own hair to wrap that around like that. Tuck that in. Bobby pins. Oh my god, has your hair or wig ever fallen down in public before? Mine hasn't, and I don't want to start that now. So yeah, thank you very much. Oh my god, this is so cute. So you can either choose to just fluff the top a little bit if you want to. Fluff, fluff, fluff. We're almost done with the hair. The last thing I do is just to put edge control just a little bit. I don't use edge control all the time. I just use them once in a while. The last thing I do is I'm just gonna tie it down a little bit so it can just lay flat a little. Just my edges. Tie that, tie that. Not too tight because we don't want to give ourselves a headache. You know what I mean? Okay, so I let my hair just sit for like 15 minutes and now it's time to see the finished results. This is exactly what I envisioned in my head when I imagined this hairstyle, and I so love that it came out exactly how I wanted it. I wanted big chunky braids. I wanted it to be ombre, start from my hair color and then ombre into brown. Oh my god, this is too cute! As per usual, thank you so much for staying till the very end, to this very point where you're seeing this message. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. You always know the deal. When I love a hairstyle, I can't stop touching it. I can't stop smiling and I just don't know how to act. If you really loved what I've done with this video, please like it, press that button, and feel free to share my videos. You never know who's interested or who would love to see whatever hairstyle I create. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And don't forget to press that bell so you get a notification for every time I post so you don't miss my videos. You know you don't want to miss it. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon.